I'm Lander, welcome to Open Source Geeks. And today is gonna be a special one because we'll be building a video for a YouTuber. Well, he's a new YouTuber, and this is Nicholas. He's gonna build it himself, and I will be judging. And he's going to show us his layout right now. So.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. Come into the room here and let me show you everything I've got. So right now, this is my daily setup. I've got my 55-inch TV here with the PlayStation 5 that I play my console games on, such as FIFA. But as you can see, I've only got a gaming laptop. And I would really like a gaming computer. I've bought everything that we need. She has advised me on buying all this stuff here, so I hope that it works out. I'm pretty sure that it will. I've got my old PS4 over there, and I've got a nice little lighting setup. So guys, let's jump into the video. I hope everything's gonna work out.
You know what's the first step?
To plug in the mouse.
No, put the dog in.
Oh yes, the dog.
Okay,
So,
let's get started.
Here we go, let's jump in.
So, do you know what's the first step?
We plug in the mouse. No? Keyboard? Speakers? Nowhere close? Anywhere? Can you please tell me? Because I honestly have no idea. I've been playing consoles my whole life, PS1, PS2. Gaming computers are not my forte. So.
Okay, so the first step, we got a motherboard out. Motherboard.
This one? Oh, okay. Do you
Take
take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, so this is our motherboard. It's Lando, what is this?
It's an MSI motherboard. And the next step is installing the CPU. This is a Intel Core i5 generation 10.
Oh.
Yeah, so I hold it really carefully and put the golden triangle matching to this side.
The golden triangle matching to this side?
Yeah.
Okay, so
And put it down carefully.
at least I know playing with those shapes in kindergarten made sense now. Yes?
Here it like fell down there quite clearly, right?
Yes, it looks
And
level.
put it down and slowly it'll pop out by itself. See? Keep doing it, it's doing good. Put it back.
I thought I broke it.
No?
No?
Yeah. See?
Okay, that's normal. My heart. Okay, cool. I thought that I broke my computer in the first 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Can we plug the mouse in?
No.
Okay, sorry.
And the next step, we put the RAM stick in. 16 gig constant query RAM. Do you know how to install it?
Yes, I do know how to install this.
Yeah.
So we got my RAM sticks over here.
Yeah.
This part I do know because when my computer used to break as a kid, I used to take the RAM out and put it back in again, and that used to fix it. Good.
That's wrong.
Wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, me boasting here like I know how to do it. But the thing is, I know where it goes.
Yeah, but you might break it in that way.
There we go. Click, click. That sounds pretty good. How did you know it was the wrong direction? That's what I want to know. This is what I know for the future.
It's not the same length.
Oh, okay.
So next step, we put the solid state in. Do you know how to install this?
No, I've never seen this in my life.
And it goes, okay, I'll do this one. I haven't built a computer from scratch for quite a while. Now I have installed the, how do you say that?
The CPU.
Yes, what's
Wow,
that?
the RAM sticks.
Yes, and what?
This is a SSD,
Yes.
which is like a hard drive,
Yes.
which is like a solid state.
Yes.
I'm learning.
Now what we are gonna do is install the backplate for the cooler.
Ouch.
Take it out.
Yeah, we've got a nice cooler. Intel gave us a cooler with the CPU, but this one's better.
Yeah.
Would you like to unbox that?
Yep.
2 hours later.
This is a peel. It's hard to see, but always remember to take it off. Otherwise, it's gonna affect the performance. In the center of the CPU, put a rice size. That's a weird side of rice, but yeah, and that will be enough. And next step, we just put the cooler on.
A few inches later.
So I have the motherboard in, the cooler in, and other parts plugged
Power
already.
supply.
So now we're gonna put the fencing, turn it back. What did you say you just realized?
That there's no CD-ROM. Why is it so funny? There's no CD-ROM. But
Who the heck do you use a CD?
I don't know, they gave us CDs with drivers.
Yeah, for old people who don't know how it works.
So computers nowadays don't have CD-ROMs.
No, we don't use it.
My laptop doesn't have one, come to think of it as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm old.
Much later.
What you doing your channel for? Like, what's your purpose?
Well, I love playing games and I love sharing the way that I play games with people. So my channel's purpose is to share the interesting way that I play games.
Here, we just built a computer. It has Cooler Master T620 cooler, 2 TB Western Digital hard drive, 3 RGB fans, MSI Mortar motherboard, Intel Core i5 Generation 10, 16 gig RAM stick, Cooler Master power supply B550, 1 TB solid state, and last not the least, Asus RTX 3060. So it took us almost like 4 hours to build this.
Yes, a very long time.
And well, since we have a really nice CPU, i5, and how much you spent on the graphic card?
I don't know, 5,000.
Yeah. So, and also like I did a really good job on the wire
so
management.
That's an amazing job.
With like the RGB color. So, what you gonna play on this?
Probably Minecraft.
What? Mother.
Why are you back so late?
I don't want to talk about it.